I'm an IT professional with over a decade of years of experience, and I hail from Bangalore, right? Been associated with PIM for the last 2+ months. Okay, and I can say the journey has been like mind blowing and evolutionary, is what I can say. And this effective communication workshop has transformed me as a human being at all levels. Okay, the biggest thing I can tell you is like for a person who was very shy to talk and express herself, today has the confidence to talk to anybody and everybody, right? So this communication workshop has started bringing me some kind of awareness about myself in areas that I was already good at, and some areas where I was lacking, right? So this, I don't know, it's somehow, I don't know how Bijay catches that. And he can, he just puts out those problem areas of mine very, very easily. And he's like, look, this is what we have been talking. And that's what I realized. Okay, fine, I need to improve a bit over here. And this actually has started bringing me a lot of perspective in my life, both in my professional and in my personal space. It's given me, the confidence to solve and improve my relationships. Now, when we talk about effective communication, our first thought is like, oh, it's all about talking. But trust me, it's just not about talking. It's about, the way you express yourself. It's all about how you make the other person feel. And it's all also about listening, right? Unless you learn to listen, you will never be able to communicate and express yourself effectively. And also, there are so many small, small secrets, is what Bijay keeps revealing. And that's what I absolutely love. Makes conversations just flow and flow very, very easily. I can go on and on, but then I would want to stop here. And it's an experience. You have to go through it. I cannot express everything right now. Thank you, Vineet.